Hello and welcome to video 2 in this mini crash course on the basics of songwriting. In this video we'll be going through your song title, the tempo and the beat. So let's get started. So regardless of genre, every song will have a song title, a tempo and a beat. Even if the music is an instrumental with no lyrics, you'll still need these three. So let's look at each one and what they represent. Song title. The song title is, as the name suggests, the title of your song. Imagine how irritating it would be if each song was called Untitled 1, Untitled 2, Untitled 3. You'd have no idea what each song was without listening to the beginning of each one. A songwriter can come up with their song title at any point of the writing journey. Some won't start a song until they have a title. Others will wait till the song is recorded and produced, then decide on a name. And there are some that change their name constantly throughout the process. The choice is yours. There are many ways you can conjure up a song title, so here's a few to get you started. Use the main phrase or word from the chorus. This is the most common type of song title, regardless of what genre you want to focus on. So for example, Christina Aguilera has a song called Beautiful, and throughout the chorus, the word beautiful appears several times. A phrase or word which describes the song as a whole. This isn't that common, especially in mainstream music, but you see it in a lot of rock, metal and progressive genres. For example, Queen's The Bohemian Rhapsody. This phrase isn't mentioned, but its meaning is implied in the song lyrics. A question or statement. Now this one's not so common, however it is used on the odd occasion regardless of genre. For example, the Bee Gees' How Deep Is Your Love? You can, if you want, write down several titles for your song and at the end pick which one you think is the best. I like to start writing my lyrics, and once I've finished the first draft, pick a catchy phrase as my song title temporarily, so when I come back to it in the future, I can find it again easily. Next is tempo. The tempo defines how slow or fast the beat is. This is measured in beats per minute, BPM. A slow tempo can range from 40 to 80 BPM. Mid-tempo can range from 70 to 100. Fast can range from 90 to 120. And very fast is usually anything 120 plus beats per minute, which is usually where metal music fits in. Now you decide the tempo of your song. If you want to write a love song, it doesn't have to be slow. And if you want to write an angry, frustrated song, it doesn't have to be super fast. Now what you'll tend to find is once you vocalize your lyrics, you'll find a natural pace when you vocalize them. So you'll usually find a tempo at that point. In modern music, the tempo of a song is usually consistent throughout. However, depending on the genre of music you're creating, your tempo can change throughout the song. The beat, also known as your time signature. Now deciding on your time signature isn't something a lot of people tend to think about, because unless you're familiar with sheet music notation or music theory, you won't really know it exists. However, your beat or your time signature is basically how your beats are counted. Does the beat feel like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4? Or does it feel more like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? The beat is usually what you see people dance to or clap their hands to. It comes naturally. So when you start to vocalize your lyrics and add a melody, you'll begin to generate a beat to your song. Now that completes video 2 in this mini crash course on the basics of songwriting. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. And if you did, give me a beautiful thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And when you are ready, click on the next video in the series where we look into writing your lyrics.